This is one of my favourite ways to cook corn. I find using this method ensures that the corn is cooked to perfection, and it is so simple. Just remove the large outer husks from the corn and discard them. Then turn back the inner husks, keeping them attached to the corn cob. Now remove the silk. Try to remove as much silk as you can. And then I spread the corn with soft butter. You can also add any herbs or seasoning at this stage, but I just love the taste of corn with only butter. Then pull the husk back over the ears of corn. Wrap each corn cob securely in aluminium foil. Try to wrap the corn in the longest side of the foil, twisting the ends to make handles for turning. Roast the corn directly on the coals for about 15 minutes, turning halfway. Peel back the husks. Lather with more butter and salt and pepper. Enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.